Hello everyone, I'm Sagar. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a countdown like this. Let's get started. Step 1. Basic HTML layout. Okay, so here I have the Notepad application opened. Now I'm going to start a new HTML tag and close it as well. Inside this HTML tag I'm going to start and close a body tag in which we are going to have our script and style tags. Okay, now I'm going to close the script tag, start the style tag and close it as well. Now inside the body we need a table, so I'm going to start and close the table tag as well. Okay, now I'm starting the table tag, so that's table, and then closing the table tag. Inside this table we are going to have two rows, so I say TR, which means table row, and close the table row tag. Inside this table row tag we are going to have 4 columns, so I say TH, which stands for table heading. The first heading is going to be days, the second is going to be hours, so TH hours, close the tag, and then minutes, okay, minutes, and then last but not the least the seconds. Now I'm going to save and run this application. Oh yeah, I also have to write another table row. The other table row is going to be where we are going to display the remaining hours, minutes, seconds, and days. So I'm going to name the column in the second row as days. That's where we're going to display the remaining days. TD stands for table data, and I'm going to name the second one as hours. That's where we're going to display the remaining hours. Close the tag, and then another column that's going to be for minutes, so TD ID is equal to minutes, or min, and close the tag as well, and the seconds, so TD ID is equal to sec, so I'm typing that. Give some space there. Okay, saved it, I run it, and you can see that the application is you can see that over there, you can see the table there. Step 2. JavaScript coding. Now I'm going to write JavaScript for this. So inside the script tag we're going to write JavaScript. I'm going to create a new variable called runtime that is going to equal to the current time subtracted from the date of the event. So the new we are going to write new date, and the date that's going to be 2017 3/19, and then subtracted and get time. That function is going to get the time from that date for easy calculation, minus the current time, so new date. We don't need anything in the parentheses, and dot get time. Now I'm creating a new variable called s, which is seconds, and that's going to be math.floor rem time divided by 1000. We are using math.floor function because we don't want to get some decimals, so it's going to round it off, and rem time divided by 1000 because we want to get it in seconds. We want to get the seconds in seconds, and the same thing for minutes. That's going to be seconds divided by 60, and the hours is going to be math.floor minutes divided by 60. Next I'm going to create a new variable called d, which is days, and then mat.floor hours divided by 20 hours divided by 24, because there are 24 hours in a day. And then since we want to get the remaining seconds, seconds, minutes and hours, I'm going to say S modulus is equal to 60, because a minute has 60 seconds, and it's going to divide by itself by 60, and we're going to get the remainder. And then divided by modulus is equal to 60, and then we're going to update the remaining hours, minutes and seconds in those TD columns. So we say document.getElement by id days dot inner html is equal to d. The variable d has the days, and I'm going to copy and paste it. Oops. Oh yeah, I that was copied before. Okay, anyhow. Okay, now I'm going to change the names, the IDs. First one is date, the second one is hours, the third one is minutes, for seconds. I'm going to say day for days, and H for hours, and M for minutes, and S for seconds. Now we have to keep this in a function, because we want this to happen every second. So I'm going to put this inside a function and say set interval, and the name of the I forgot to name the function. I'm going to name the function there, function cd. So that's countdown. CD stands for countdown, and the second parameter of that is going to be the delay. That's going to be 1 second, and then outside the function we are going to call it. So I say cd and then nothing in the parentheses and colon. Now I run it. I think I made a mistake somewhere. Let me check. Looks like nothing's there. CD where? I forgot to put parentheses after getDime function. Now let's run. Still the hours. Why is it like that? Wait. There. That should be hours. I misnamed the variable. Now let's run it. Okay, that's what we want. We have the countdown there. Step 3, CSS. Okay, now I'm going to add CSS to this, since it doesn't look that good. So opening the style tag, and I say th, td, that includes text heading and text data, and I'm going to add some padding to it. So I say padding 20 pixel. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, as you can see, there's some gap. That's the padding which is added. And now I'm going to go to w3schools.com, and from there I'm going to get some code for W3 CSS, which is going to make our lives much easier and making our code much easier to use. So I get some code which is going to get our library from where we are going to get the W3 CSS. Okay, I pasted that code. Now I'm going to run it. Okay, reload the page. Okay, now you can see that the font is also changed, because the default font is Veranda. And for this table I want to make it centered, so I say W3 display center. I'm going to run it. Oh, it says there's a problem loading. Okay, I'll just reload it again. Open it again. Okay. There's some problem, I guess, with the code. W3 display. Oh yeah, that should be W3 display middle actually. Display middle. Display middle. Middle. Okay. Now let's run it. Okay, now you can see that it's centered. The next thing I'm going to do is change the background. So in the body I'm going to say class is equal to W3TL. It's a bluish color. Now if I run it, you can see that the background has changed. Now I'm going to increase the size of the font. I say class is equal to W3 Jumbo, which is a big font. So W3 Jumbo. Very low. Whoa, that's very big. So let me reduce the size. Let's say XX large, a little bit smaller. Good enough. I'll refresh the browser. Okay, that's good. Now I want to increase the size also of the second row, so I say class is equal to W3 large. Now let's try it. Oh, the same problem again. I'll reload the web page. Okay, good enough. Now I'm going to center the second row. It is aligned to the left, right? So I'm going to center it to the center. So go to the style tag, and over there I'm going to say text align center. If I reload it, you can see that the second row is aligned to the center. I want to increase the size of the second row, so yeah, you can see that's increased. The size increased. Now I'm going to Google Fonts, and I'm going to take some fonts to make our countdown much beautiful. Oh, I guess I'll search in Google. Okay, I say fonts.google fonts. Spelling mistake anyhow. Fonts and okay. .google.com. Okay, yeah, that's you can get. I opened it. Now I'm going to search for the font name Lobster. Lobster. Okay, you see that you click the plus button and you can select that font. And then I'm also going to search for Bangers. Okay, yeah, it's there. Select that as well, and then you can expand that that pops out, and Google gives us a code which we can paste it in our HTML file. That's where we get the fonts from. And then I'm also going to copy the CSS code which is already given there and paste it for the text heading. And for the text data, I'm going to have Bangers. So copy that Bangers code, paste it. Now I'm going to save it and run it. Okay, now you can see it looks much better, but the font, the second row looks smaller, so I'm going to increase the size a little more. Yeah, now you can see it looks very good. So that's how to make a countdown in HTML. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.